A new pilot program in Muskegon is changing the way officials respond to mental health emergencies. I spoke with the team now behind the new policy. They explained why Muskegon is an important place to shift the narrative. In a city like Muskegon, you might think it's hard to feel alone.
I mean, I'm the supervisor, but I don't know, it's a team. I refuse to call them staff.
With a team like this, Hannah Dropcheck never feels that way.
It is hard work and you can't do it by yourself.
But when that feeling is unavoidable and a crisis does happen, Dropcheck,
Intensive Crisis Stabilization Team,
answers that call.
You are taught when you are little to call 911. But what we don't find out when we're young is that there are other available options.
A new policy in Muskegon County is the first of its kind in the entire state. For 911 calls related to behavioral health, police will still come to the scene. But now,
sometimes the law enforcement can leave. We can stay there. We are not on a time limit. We are not.
Instead of an ambulance, the mobile response team will come.
In a uniform that looks scary. We're not coming with the threat that you're going to the hospital.
The new policy freeing up much needed resources.
We have one hospital in Muskegon County. We have one jail in Muskegon County. Those are not the right resource for any of these folks.
A lone hospital that's already dealt with long wait times. And a community she says is already dealing with high levels of trauma.
Muskegon County is not the only place to have it, but we definitely have a higher number than other areas in the state and the nation.
The policy has already seen nearly 80 successful responses.
Our goal is to get them to the right door of service that they need, in which a lot of times in these cases are the behavioral health experts, which law enforcement clearly is not a behavioral health expert.
The hope is to spread this lone pilot program to more counties across the state. Until then,
we are seeing people when they are broken down.
Dropcheck isn't calling it quits.
When they are ready to just give up.
Just one team.
I love to see
answering Muskegon's call.
The glimmer of hope that comes.
I just encourage you to leave her a voicemail so that
she cited a study that found Muskegon had more than twice the national rate of childhood trauma, which can impact mental health throughout a person's life. Even if it's not an emergency, she adds that Muskegon has lots of resources for mental health and encourages people to seek them out.